The iPhone 14-13-12 Charger Fast Charging 20W USB-C wall charger is designed for users who want a reliable and efficient charging solution for modern iPhones and other USB-C compatible devices. With power delivery (PD) technology, it delivers optimized charging speeds that significantly reduce downtime compared to standard low-wattage adapters. This makes it a practical everyday accessory for home, office, and travel use, especially when quick top-ups are needed throughout the day. One of the key advantages of this charger is its 20W fast charging support, which pairs perfectly with iPhone 14, iPhone 13, and iPhone 12 series when used with a USB-C to Lightning cable. Under ideal conditions, it can charge an iPhone up to around 50% in about 30 minutes, making it a major upgrade over older 5W chargers. The smart power management system ensures stable output, delivering the right amount of current to protect battery health while maintaining speed and efficiency. The compact and lightweight design adds to its convenience, making it easy to carry in a pocket, backpack, or travel kit. Despite its small size, it offers strong build quality that feels durable enough for long-term daily use. This makes it a great choice for people who are frequently on the move or need a reliable backup charger. Safety features are also an important part of its design, including protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits. These safeguards help ensure both device and user safety during extended charging sessions. It also maintains energy efficiency, reducing unnecessary power loss while keeping performance consistent. Overall, this 20W PD USB-C wall charger is a dependable and efficient solution for fast-charging modern iPhones. It combines speed, portability, and safety in a compact form, making it an excellent upgrade or replacement charger for users who want faster and more reliable charging performance in daily life.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.